Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And what we did here yesterday was had a big family project, 5 of us, and we cleaned out the shed, cleaned out the garage, got it nice and organized. On that Allet reel mower, yes, we're still doing the giveaway. There's something wrong with that one. The winner's not going to actually get my Allet mower. They're going to get a brand spanking new one. And the way you enter in that drawing is you get on my email list and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Both of those in the description below, and that'll get you into the drawing. If you're already on the email list and subscribe to the channel, then you're already entered. I'll probably do that drawing probably around the end of May, so that'll give folks plenty of time to get signed up for it. So what happened here, severely heavy traffic all day long. You're talking about 5 people. You're talking about a Ventrac. I use the Ventrac as my wheelbarrow for hauling stuff out of here and taking it to the shop. And you're talking about multiple entries and exits using this area. And you can see it right here, how matted down, and really how, I mean, it's just, you can look at the turf has physically been whipped. Okay, imagine you as a 10-year-old. Let's say you're 10 years old, and then you jump in the ring with Mike Tyson in his prime, and you guys go head to head. That's probably what the turf feels like. It has been, I don't know if you've seen my Ventrac, but it's a fairly good sized little tractor. That alone, going in and out 50 times here, and then it's no telling how many times we walked in and out. So when you put all that together, when you say heavy traffic, that's what my idea of heavy traffic. So the main 2 parts are right here where the Ventrac was going in and out. So I'm going to take some RGS and microgreen. Really, I'm going after the kelp that's in RGS and the micronutrients in microgreen. I'm just going to douse this area right here. And before I do it, I'm going to take a drill and just put some light little aeration holes in it, just to kind of help the material get in the ground a lot quicker than it normally would. So that's really all I'm going to do to kind of make this pop back to life. And I'm not at all saying if you have a party in your yard and you have 100 people, don't go get a core aerator and go plug in your yard right now. This is just a very isolated incident that I have an opportunity to aerate some very small areas, and so I'm going to do that with a drill. And that's all. Not even going to put a ton of holes in it. Basically have a little simple watering can, a couple of gallons of water. It's about 2 or 3 ounces of RGS, and then as far as the microgreen goes, I don't know, I think I probably put 6 or 8 ounces in there. And once I put that out, I'm just gonna wet it down really good and gonna work your material down into the ground. And I'm not trying to water it in with this spot. I'm just getting it off the leaves really good and get it soaked down in there. Because I'm getting ready to go in here and change my clothes and go to worship. It's Sunday morning, and I'm just going to turn my irrigation on. And between that irrigation head and that irrigation head, it'll water this in really good. All right, that's probably good enough. Right there. All right, well, there you go. And like I said, all I'm gonna do is water this really good and hard. you know, with it being middle of the spring, this should pop back really easily. If it were mid-July and, you know, in severe drought, that might be a different story, but I think it'll be okay. Appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this. I'll check you later.